In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Access unrecognized database format error 3343, inconsistent state. If you're seeing this message when you try to open an Access database, it usually means the file is in an inconsistent state, often caused by a crash, a forced shutdown, or a network hiccup while the file was open. The safest way to address it is to let Access rebuild the file structure for you. Before we begin, it's a good idea to make a copy of your database file so you always have a backup to fall back on. Start by opening Microsoft Access itself, but do not open the problematic database. That means launching the Access application from your Start menu or shortcut and stopping there. Avoid double-clicking the corrupted file because loading it right away can trigger the same error and prevent the repair tool from working smoothly. Next, go to the File tab and select Close. Even if it looks like nothing is open, this ensures Access isn't holding any database in the background. Compact and Repair needs exclusive access, so closing anything that might be open is an important safety step, especially if you had another file open recently. Now head to the Database Tools tab and click Compact and Repair Database. This built-in utility cleans up and rebuilds the internal structure of your database. It can shrink file size, fix broken indexes, and resolve the inconsistent state that prompts the 3343 error. It's designed to preserve your objects and data, but as with any repair process, having that backup copy is your safety net. When the Database to Compact From dialog box appears, browse to the location of the corrupted file and select it. If the file lives on a network share, consider working from a local copy for the repair, as local storage is less prone to interruptions. Make sure no one else has the file open. Shared use during repair can cause it to fail. You'll then be prompted to choose a new location to save the repaired database file. Pick a folder you trust and give the file a clear name so you can distinguish it from the original. Saving as a new file keeps your original intact while Access builds a clean version. That's the core process. After the repair completes, your new file should open without the 3343 error. If issues persist, ensure you're using a compatible Access version for the file type, keep Office up to date, and avoid storing live databases on unreliable networks. Regular backups and periodic compact and repair can prevent this problem from returning.